Hello and welcome to this Power BI video. We are continuing our tutorial series, and in today's tutorial we are going to discuss two mathematical function log and log10. Okay, so logarithm and logarithm base 10, that's what we are going to discuss. So let's start. So first of all, let's create a measure and then we'll go and try to create columns also. So let's say log, and without base, let's say I want to give 10, and without base it works as 10. Let's see what does it give. So we go ahead and put a card visual, and we created a measure out here. Let's see, is this the measure? Yes. So let's call it as log measure, and this is actually coming as base 10 only. And let me try out with a different base. Let's say we try out with the base 5. So we got a different value. So logarithm values basically we use when we have larger values which are pretty big, and then we want to normalize and then put all those values together. We can actually get the log of those values, and those larger values will become smaller values and we can get them into the display. So this is one of the benefit we have. So now we have log, and similarly we have log 10. Log 10 is basically nothing but the base itself is 10. So we don't have to mention base 10, even though the log function itself has a default base as 10. We have seen that. Let's put 10 here and see. So 10 is 1, basically that means the base is 1. Now I have certain values in a particular table, so let's try here. So let's go ahead and try first of all log, and I'm calling it log1. But so we are going to take the log function, and here we'll take the values from the column, and let's take base. Let's say we can take any base, so let me try out 2.7. I have one of the value as 2.7, it has come 1. Let's try with the 2.71. Okay, so we whatever is the base, that will come 1, and based on that you will keep on getting the numbers. Or you can have log as 2, let's say, and you get the other values. Okay, so now similarly let's create one more column which is basically log 10. Now here we have only one thing, which is base 10. We don't have to mention anything, and we have to go ahead and use the values column from here. And now this is what it is giving us, log 10. Okay, so and log is also log 10. We can use 10. So there are two functions. Ideally both of them can be part of log only, but Power BI has provided you facility with two functions. Go ahead and try these out. These are specifically needed when you are doing some mathematical calculation, or when you actually wanted to normalize the number when the numbers are pretty big and you wanted to see it, or maybe you are sending it to some data science algorithm and you want some kind of a normalization. You can take log. Now Power BI, if you look at let's go ahead and draw a visual. I wanted to point out you this thing, that Power BI do gives you option of logarithmic. Let's say I take a brand out here, and let's say I say count values here. Okay, these are the values out here, and if you go here and if you go to the axis, to the y-axis, not to the x-axis, you do have an option like linear and log. So basically if you take logarithmic values, it will come down and become a different kind of values. So you do have that scale option of logarithm, and you will only get that logarithm value better feel when you have the larger set of values. But yeah, if you need manually, you have the log function. If you need the scale to be changed to linear or log, you have option out here. So try these options out. Do let us know what else you wanted to see in mathematical functions in Power BI. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for new video. Thank you.